Isaac with Fisher Motor Works, and today I'm going to show you how to install the MagSafe charger for your 95B.1 Porsche Macan. This works with smoker and non-smoker packages. So we're going to start by putting our MagSafe charger in the holder. To do that, these things just clip right in. You're just going to run the charger cable through it, make sure it's towards the bottom in that slit, and then it just snaps right in. Okay, so to install it, this trim piece has to come out, and we're going to be unbolting where our power outlet is or where your ashtray is in the smoker package. So to do that, it's just clipped in. You just carefully pry it out, up out. And then what we're going to want to do is unplug our cigarette lighter. And then there are two T20 Torx that hold this in. We'll just set that in the cup holder. We'll get the other one. Okay, and in this, just pop right out, down on the front, and then slide out. Next, we're going to want to get the cigarette lighter portion out. There's a clip here you push in on, and then you just push it out, like so. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and plug that in. If I plug it in right. Then we'll do our USB adapter. And then we'll plug our MagSafe charger into our adapter, going down through our trim piece. Plug it in. And we'll just tuck it down inside. We can run our cable the rest of the way through. Then this will slide down in like so. And we're just gonna push it so it kind of snaps in. And then we're going to reinstall our T25 Torx here and here. Tuck the rest of our cable down in here, and then snap our trim piece back in. Usually I snap these in from the front first and then work my way down to the back. And there you have it. MagSafe charger installed. Thanks for watching.